guys, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a huge Amazon home decor. In my last video where I did some home decor haul, I mentioned that I'm picking up a couple of pieces. So I finally have a ton. I was gonna say I have a few pieces, but I have a lot of pieces to show you guys, and let's get started. And you will find all the links in the description box so you can check them out. And also, if you enjoy the video and if you want to see more home decor videos and fashion videos and vlogs, then like this video and also leave a comment below telling me what else you would like to watch, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. So as you saw in the thumbnail, I got these jute poofs. So they're sort of like footstools or stools where you can sit, and the inside part of it is sort of like a beanbag kind of a thing. I'm not really sure what it's filled with, but it is comfortable to sit on or put your feet on, and it's jute, so it gives you that earthy decor feel. So I'll just put this down. They make for a really good footrest, or even if you want a stool or something, and it's easy to move around. So I place them in my balcony in the mornings when I want to sit out and have some coffee, or I bring them back into the house when I want to use it as a footrest. So these are pretty great, and the quality is really good. I would definitely recommend you guys to get these if you're looking for something. I've seen them in different shapes and sizes, and finally ended up getting these cube sort of things. I got two of them. I will show you guys how they look when they're placed around in the house. And of course, the home tour, I know that it's been pending for the longest time. I have 2-3 pieces which I still am waiting for, so please bear with me. Now moving on to some cushions. So I got both the cushions and the cushion covers from Amazon. So they're like super soft. What's inside this is this one. They come in a set of 5, so I got the entire set, and they come like this, compressed, and when you open up they expand, and they're like really soft. There's a bunch of them actually, but this one is really soft. This is one of the pillow covers which I got, or the cushion covers which I got. This one is like very pretty. It has sequin all over. Here it has like this gold sequin, bronzish, and this one is just plain work. And it also has that earthy, again, jute feeling to it. Since I have, I don't know if you guys have seen some of the couches in Instagram stories, so I have few colors. So I thought this will be a nice addition to sober it down a little bit. So yeah. And this was quite affordable too. Again, the quality is great, so I would highly recommend trying out this if you're looking for cushion covers. And I got 3 others from the same brand. So this one also looks so beautiful. It has like grey and white detailing, and it is a little bit boho, and it's not again like completely that macrame style, but it has a little bit of boho look to it. It has these threads. It gives a very nice look. Next up we have this. It's an off-white, and again it has like a little bit of these tassel detailing, and here also it has that rustic look. It's like a little bit of fringe detailing going on, and these are all the same size. I have the exact same one in pink. The same pillow basically, and the same tassel detailing and everything. So I have like a greenish couch, and there's one in pink and then one in floral. So these sort of go really well with the aesthetic. The cushion inside is like super soft, so you can actually lie down on this or put it in behind your back, and they're like really soft. Next, again, I have some boho decor pieces. These are little mirrors with macrame detailing. Each one is of a different design. So this is one of the designs, and this one is slightly different. I got these for the balcony. I thought I'll paint one of the balcony walls into a dark color, like a bright yellow or something like that, or a turquoise. I'm not really sure yet. So I got these for the balcony, but temporarily I've put them behind this couch where I'm sitting right now. So they go right here. So I put them there, and the quality is alright. They will look nice in the balcony, but I don't love them for the house, inside the house. And also these are white, they're not off-white. So initially I thought they were off-white looking at the pictures on the site, but yeah. So next we have this mirror. It has a little bit of distressed detailing. So it's this light blue. It's sort of like sky blue, and it's not very big, but it's also not very small, but it has this really nice distressed detailing. a little faded detailing. So I really wanted that kind of a detailing, so I got this. I've also seen few other mirrors in the same size and shape in different colors, so I'll add the links for that as well in case you would like to check it out. And the quality is really good. I really like this one as well. This is what it looks like at the back. The carving is good and it's a nice pastel blue, so I really like this one. Do check this out. Next up we have this hairpin stool. As you can see, it's quite short. This stool needs another stool, basically. That's the height of it. So I really like the structure and the quality and everything. It has this black and white detailing. You would have seen this in my Instagram pictures or other videos in the background. So you can just place this and put a small plant on it and it would look really good, but I really wished it was taller. It would have made for a really good decor piece. So the quality is really good. It's very sturdy and everything. I just wish it was, the diameter was a bit little more, and I just wish it was longer. But yeah, keep in mind that this will be the height of the stool if you're going to get it. And that's from the brand called Casa Decor. They have really good products. All of their decor pieces are really good and they're all there on Amazon, so I'll leave a link so you can check out other products from them as well. And this one actually was a gift for Secret Santa, this and few other things. So since this one is from Amazon, so I thought I'll show you guys so that, you know, if you're interested you can get it. So this one is hollow. It's not a very heavy structure as such. So it's this black and orange. It gives it a very good look, but at the same time it's not heavy, so you don't have to worry about like dropping it or anything like that. I was quite surprised because it looks so good and it's quite affordable. I think it's around 300 or so. So if you're looking to add like a Buddha decor piece, or if you just generally like to have Buddha and if you're into meditation and all that, then this would be great. And along with the jute poofs or the stools which I showed you guys, I also ordered a small piece of furniture, a foyer table. It looks really pretty. I'll show you guys a picture of how it looks on the website. And it has like a small drawer, and it's one of those pieces which has those Moroccan tile sort of a look, and it goes well with one of the other tables which I have. If you guys have seen my previous vlog where I shopped for furniture in a local store, so it goes well with that. And I thought the foyer table, I can use it near the entrance or basically elsewhere. But it came in a little damaged. One of the legs was a little broken, so I wrote back and I immediately got a refund. So that's the great thing about Amazon. In case something goes wrong, you get a refund, full refund. So that's really good. I had really good high expectations on this one. So yeah, this was one of the fails which I got from Amazon, or my online shopping disasters, apart from the size differences. So yeah, always make sure that you check the sizes also really well when you're shopping online on Amazon or elsewhere. Amazon, at least you can see pictures and they'll have all the measurements written, so that shouldn't be a problem, of course. And then we have a bunch of pieces from IKEA. IKEA is available on Amazon, and I think even some of the furniture is available. We actually recently went to IKEA to check out some of these pieces, and then we also looked at some patio furniture, which I'll show you guys some clips here because I wanted to include that in like another video where I'm doing, like, my brother's doing like a patio or like a terrace area transformation, so I wanted to show you guys in that video, but I'll just insert some clips here. I got this floor cushion. I'm sure you guys would have seen this whenever you went to IKEA or when you're browsing through Amazon for IKEA pieces. So this is a very nice fuchsia pink. They have them in other colors too. So this one is like very comfortable. I really like to sit down and work at times, and of course you can't continuously sit on the floor, so this really helps. I just put a small mat and I put this one and then sit and work. And the other good part is that you can move it around. I like to put it in the balcony in the mornings or evenings, and then I'll bring it back in the room. And even on your couch also you can put it if you want that extra height. So next up we have a couple of things from IKEA for the kitchen and dining things. So I got these glasses. I think these are one of those famous glasses. I really like the color. That's the reason I got it. You can use them for water or juice, or basically when you like make mojitos or something like that. It makes it a little fancy, but again everything is quite affordable, so I highly recommend these as well. So I'm just giving you guys my rating also at the end of each product, something that I really like and I recommend. And then I got two of these balls. As you can clearly see, I like this color, turquoise and the light blue. So this one is sort of a little bit of greenish blue. I don't know if you can pick up the color right in the camera. The ball is a little deep, so you can use it for pasta or noodles as well. And I've been making these Buddha balls, veggie balls, and like even protein balls, fish. So I've been using these, and yeah, I got two of these. And then lastly, I got like a set of 4 of these. These are basically your dessert balls or your cereal balls, and the color is a little more lighter. This is a pastel blue, and the previous one, the balls, the deep balls, are a little bit in that greenish blue. So these are great for your morning breakfast or even for desserts. I really like the size and everything. And now we have something a little different from Home Decor. So this is a waffle maker. It's from Rossmann, and this is a 3-in-1 waffle maker cum sandwich maker. So they have these plates which are detachable. This one is for sandwiches, of course, grilling sandwiches. There's 2 more options, and one is for waffles and the other one is for like crisscross those half sandwiches. Instead of getting like one product which is a waffle maker, this is like a 3-in-1 thing. So I really like this one. So I was planning to do like a best of 2020 so I was going to include this in that one, but yeah, so since we are doing an Amazon haul, so this was a gift. I don't remember, I think it was for Rakhi. My brother and my sister-in-law gifted this to us. And then lastly, we have the studio light which I'm using right now. It's a ring light. So I got this for the makeup videos. I usually have a studio light. I have 2 of them, but those are the ones with umbrella. This one is Simpex, and I will show you guys. I'll turn it around and show you guys. So this is the studio light that I'm using right now, and it's pretty good for like makeup videos and close-up shots because you can just place your camera in the middle. Right now I'm using 2 lights. One is a ring light on my right side and the other one is a usual studio light. It's the studio light which I'm using. So this one and the ring light is right here. I don't feel like it works that great, but for close-ups and makeup videos it works great. So you can increase or basically decrease the intensity, and also this is the color change. This is white light and this is the cream light. So this is full intensity and this is medium. This is with full intensity, and when it's a little lesser you can see a difference. I've dimmed the light a little bit and put it to medium intensity, so there's a clear difference. So yeah, basically it works great, especially in the daylight. If you are facing sunlight and if you use this, then your makeup videos turn out really good. The thing is that I usually tend to do my shoots in the night, so I need a lot of studio lights to make sure that the lighting is sufficient. So I don't tend to shoot in the daytime, so that's my problem. So that was it for today's Amazon haul, you guys. There's a sale going on, so if you like to check out any of these, then this is the right time. So check out the link in the description box. I'll list all the products in that, so do check them out. And I hope you enjoyed this home decor haul. Let me know which one's your favorite. I really like the pillowcases and the cushion covers basically, and I really like the jute poofs as well. I wish the furniture piece which I ordered turned out well. I would have been really happy about that, but nevertheless I like all of the products which I got, the mirrors, everything, all the home decor pieces, even the IKEA pieces. I have another home decor haul coming up as well. I have few other products, so stay tuned for that, and also let me know what other videos you'd like to watch. Leave comments and let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have another channel where I do vlogs and Telugu videos, so subscribe to that one as well, and I'll leave my Instagram handle right here. Do find me there for quick updates and mini hauls and all that. So I'll see you guys next one. Bye.